I think this is what differentiates us from the mass market brands. If you can capitalize exactly on that,
Okay.
it'll click. Business should run on problem
Problem
solving
solving.
only. Every decision you take, every move you do,
Right.
every dot you place should be done to solve that problem.
Doing an e-commerce website is like a full meals,
Mm-hmm.
and the rest of it is all like a side dish.
Measure yourself whether you're
Correct.
growing or not,
Correct.
whether what we're doing is solving or not solving.
Correct. I can resonate with you. Like today, people's earlier it was a very strong demarcation of product and services. But even the product base today is all about experiences and services.
Correct.
So this I strongly resonate because it's not no longer that strong boundary line. It is like even if you're selling a product, people will go with the experience. Like I don't mind spending few rupees extra on the raw material.
Yes.
That's because of the trust factor with the person whom I'm buying.
Correct.
So I think it's more to do like the percentage might be very small. The way you explain in your videos, even if you capture that 1% of the
More than
market
enough,
is
no?
more than enough
It's
for
more
you to
than
make
enough.
sales. And you achieve that entire 1%, that is, probably you can't handle your business on your own.
Correct.
Kind.
It is a very big number.
Yeah.
It is a very big number. So, and you can have n number of ideas and n number of people can do it. And I think this is what differentiates us from the mass market brands.
Right.
We can't go sit and try that we're making a product that competes Dove or Synthol. You can't do that.
Yes.
You can't beat them in price. You can't beat them in perfumes, or
Right.
you can't beat them in availability.
Correct.
So this is something unique, and it's something people. Today the average income is increasing,
Right.
and there are not many ways in which you can spend.
Right.
You being in Bangalore should know the difference between people in Karur and in Bangalore.
Yeah.
You can go watch movies, maybe go to Coimbatore.
Yeah.
There's nothing more you can do.
Yeah.
So the next place where you can feel happy that you're spending money is in something like this.
Right. Self-pampering.
Correct.
Yeah.
If you can capitalize exactly on that,
Okay.
it'll click.
Okay. And somewhere you can sneak in, like if when you I was reading that chart of the brand thing, like and they were giving examples of each brand. So there is like a circle, again a concentric circle. So broadly, the bigger circle classifies the kind of a brands they are, and they gave a live example. Like some are like sporty, masculine, that kind of brand. The language of the brand, okay.
Correct.
And that is more like your Duracell and those kind of like go-getter kind of a brand. And something like caring, nurturing, and all those things falls in one sector that
Correct.
is mostly to do with those Vicks and those baby products. And so now I could like connect the dots.
Correct.
Probably that give that self-pampering or that care thing.
Correct.
Along with, of course, problem solving is what the intention of the business should be.
Business should run on problem solving only.
Only, okay.
There's nothing else you run a business for.
Okay.
And what you make out of it,
Okay.
and what you do for it is just a byproduct, and you just survive to solve the problem.
Right.
Exactly that problem. See, for me, you have come up from Bangalore,
Right.
and I'm solving exactly a problem.
Correct. Right.
So that is exactly what I'm doing. And right now, if you see what I'm doing, I do not want to waste this opportunity. I'm making arrangements so that more
Correct.
people can see it.
See it. Right.
So every decision you take, every move you do,
Right.
every dot you place should be done to solve that problem.
Sure.
Exactly that problem.
Sure.
So I don't feel, what I feel so right is, it'll take long time for someone to come with this set of skills and the way in which I was brought up, my education, it goes up to 5-10 years back.
Right.
So for someone else to come into this space, it'll take 10 years,
Right.
or at least 5.
Right.
So I feel it is more solid right now.
Right.
One, and I feel happier doing this. I like designing new products, doing new packagings and all that.
Right.
So that is how I got into this. So for you, there should be a realization, and this is just to give you examples of how to
Understood.
identify it.
Understood. Sure.
And the next thing which I've understood on packaging is, you don't do a packaging like this.
Okay.
Yes, it looks good, but the name says melon and king. There's papayas here.
Yeah.
There should be watermelons.
No, they call papaya as melon king, it seems.
Okay, then it's fine.
Yeah, we did a research before.
Okay,
put
okay, then
so
it's
this
fine.
says Capricorn.
Correct.
And then behind it's put goat milk.
Okay,
So, like
then
that.
that's good.
Yeah.
So I didn't understand the meaning of it, but even this, the name you should change it according to your the purpose.
Okay. Like, yeah, so the brand also is like, it's not like very serious about everything. There's a bit of quirk in it, and there's a bit
Correct,
of, you know,
correct.
like more on a little, like let loose kind of a thing. So that is what I want to, that's where the language also is not like, you know, like you're saying, it's very easier to put goat milk soap here. Like probably you just want to kindle the imagination of people and things like that. So that's when, like, even I don't know, the website also, I've just bought the domain, need help in setting up the complete website. Again, everybody says I've done a lead generation website. I've started learning what it is only after getting into
Okay,
it. So I didn't realize, okay, website also has many forms of it. So I was doing, like in my previous organization, I was doing contracts, like, you know, mainly again, these are abroad contracts. And I was working for, I hope this names and all will
Yeah,
not
it'll
come because it's an organization name.
Yeah.
So there, mainly, you know, because it's a product-based company, the majority of spend is going into the marketing part of it. So when we do contracts, we read the SOWs and we do it. So there we used to read all types of marketing, like PR and what do you say, events and like affiliate marketing, like all sorts of marketing. So you get to read and understand, okay, he's into this and this is what we are doing and things like that. So now I'm researching for my own purpose, and that's when I realized that, okay, website also has many things. Like so when I approach people, okay, I've done lead generation website or I've done a landing page, I haven't done a full-fledged e-commerce website. That's when the realization stuck that doing a e-commerce website is like a full meals, and the rest of it is all like a side dish kind of a thing.
Correct.
So yeah, like it's stuck there because somebody should understand what you want to put it in your brand, not say that I can do this, this is my thing, you take it or leave it kind of a thing. That is a thing. Today it's all about catering to, like the way you explain it, business should be all about problem solving.
Correct.
So now that is where like we in general as a market like India, like this is what I know, this is what you take it from the thing. Like even
Correct, exactly.
Yeah, like at workplace I manage a team. Like I say, like, did you read the email? What the person is trying to say? Like this. Like no, try and understand what the person is saying. So like I would blame it more on a cultural setup, and like it's not to say in a bad limelight, but every region the way they operate is because of the cumulative things and experiences.
What I also feel is they're like too focused on how much you're going to earn.
Yeah.
What are you selling?
Right.
And how much you can sell.
Right.
See if you can push 2 or 3 products more.
More. Yes.
So that is what I always tell my sales team. You don't go keep looking into the money and how
Numbers.
much numbers you can do. Yes, numbers is needed, but when do you look at it is to measure yourself, whether you're growing or not,
Correct.
whether what we're doing is solving or not solving.
Correct.
But when you talk to a customer, you understand what their problem is, what they exactly need. Even if it means a lesser sale, you tell them this is what you need. So we do that. In certain points, they say, no, I want all this, I'm paying you. You say, okay, you give it to them. But then for our satisfaction, you find what the person needs and then you give it. I think I had this realization about 2 years into the business, or 3 years into the business. Only then I came to know why is that some brands are succeeding and some people aren't. What is the difference and how do they operate? So what I've seen in common towards all of them is they don't bother about the money.
Money. Yes.
They see what their customers want and they see how best they can provide the solution to them.
Right.
So you're right in that.
Sure.